effects are one of the easiest ways to change how your exhaust sounds. But on some cars, they just don't sound all that good. However, I found on the new GR86 and BRZ, they actually work out quite nicely. This one in particular is surprisingly not obnoxiously loud. It has a nice tone to it. And because we're deleting that stock muffler, there is some weight savings to be had. And it also looks spectacular as well with the 4.5-inch single wall tips and those lovely carbon fiber covers that you don't see all that often as an option. The tips fill out the cutouts in the rear bumper quite nicely, and it gives the rear end of the car an aggressive look that I'm a big fan of. I think this exhaust is in a good spot where it's not too loud and it's not too quiet. It's gonna be perfect for somebody who's just looking for that extra bump in exhaust tone. You also get the pops, and actually I'm not gonna call them cracks as they're a little bit deeper. They're more like gurgles, a little bit different than some of the other exhausts that we've tested, but it does sound great. Now, as the car sits at higher cruising speeds, there is this tiniest bit of drone, but nowhere near to the point where it bothers me. But if you start modifying the rest of the exhaust, that can certainly change. But if you're just looking to toss this on here, the drone shouldn't be an issue at all. This is super easy to install. It sounds great and it looks great. If you want to pick one up for yourself, the link is down in the description. Let me know what you guys think and what other exhausts you'd like to hear in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Let's give it one more rip. Too fun.